Hello, welcome back. I am Kono, and today we are going to learn how to restore full backup of a cPanel. We cannot restore full backup using cPanel interface, but we can restore it into a parts. For example, we can restore home directory using cPanel full backup. We can restore MySQL databases. Okay, SSL certificates, email, logs, etc. So first we are going to restore backup of a home directory. We can use FTP if you are getting any error in compressing your backup of home folder, then you can use FTP client, but we are going to use file manager. So click on file manager. You can find it under cPanel file section. Here is file section and here is file manager icon. Okay, so we are going to restore a public HTML. So open it. You can see directory is empty. Now open your full backup, location of your full backup. We need to extract it, and for extracting it we need a software. You can use WinRAR okay, rarelab.com. You can use WinRAR to extract your compressed file. So extract it to same folder. Okay, open it. We need to restore backup of home folder. Okay, here is home directory. Open it. This is our home directory. You can see it contains public HTML, SSL, mail, logs, substaculars, okay, etc. Open public HTML. Now we need to compress it. If it will show any error, then you can use FTP client area to restore it. Compress it into a zip folder. It cannot be restored using RAR file. Okay, so restore it into a zip folder. Rename it to home public HTML. Now go back to file manager. Click on upload option. Select file. Backup file. Here is our backup file. We need to go to home directory, home dir, okay, public HTML, and select compressed file. Here is our compressed file. Upload is successfully completed. Okay, go back to file manager and refresh it. You can refresh it by clicking on reload option. Okay, right click on it and click on extract. Because we are going to restore public HTML, so destination should be public HTML. Same, okay. Extract. For security reason, we should remove compressed file because of anyone can download it. So remove it. Now go back to main cPanel interface. Now we are going to restore MySQL databases. Okay, under databases you can find phpMyAdmin option. Click open phpMyAdmin. Here is database. Here is one of our database. If there is no any database, then you can create it using this option. Okay, you can create it test because we are going to import it, so currently we will talk about restoring. Okay, click on import, choose file. Now again go back to full backup directory. Here is our full backup directory. We are going to restore MySQL, so find file of folder of MySQL. Here is MySQL folder. Okay, open it, and here you can see there is two database. We can restore it one by one. This is database of a email. Okay, Roundcube. We can restore it manually. Select database. Now click on go option. Okay, import has been successfully finished. Now if you want to restore a backup of SSL folder, then you can compress as a SSL certificate folder, and for example currently there is no SSL certificate. Okay, like this one is empty, so we cannot compress empty file. Here you can see error, but we can compress folder which contains a file. This one is empty folder, but we can compress SSL folder because okay, here we compress it. It contains SSL folder. Okay, now this time we don't need to open SSL folder because you can see zip folder already contain a SSL folder. If it does not contain SSL folder and you're restoring from this one, then we need to open it, else we don't need to open SSL folder. Click on upload option, upload, select file. Here is our compressed SSL folder. Open it. Upload is completed. Refresh. Okay. Extract it. You can provide a location like, or you can leave it empty. Thank you for watching.